Alright, so I got a package in the mail today. Turns out my wife got me a birthday present. I was speaking about needing a transmission jack, so a new transmission jack. I'm going to take it out of the box and put it together. Let's see how good it works this weekend. It's quite heavy, so it might be a good quality one. Wow. Looks like it's got pretty decent packaging. I hope I don't have to put the O-rings in it. I'll just set it on the floor. Right this way. Steel wheels. And as you know, they all come with instructions. We'll read these if we can't get it together on our own. That's how you're supposed to do it. Guess it's drivable. More wheels. I've got to look, I've got one bolt, I've got one nut missing. Temporary put it together. I'm going to adapt a 7/8 all the way down to 1/4 inch. Just to put it together, and then I'll tighten it with the big gun. But this is a little quieter. My finger. All right. Rolls really good on the concrete. So the only thing that was missing in shipment is one washer, which is not bad. All right. Tighten those. Okay, I'll finish tightening up by hand. The drill gun don't fit all the way in. So after I get it all together, I'll retighten these on up with the wrenches, but I'll put a link below so you can go get yourself one. So it sits down on it, and there's a groove in the top of the cylinder. You have to tighten this bolt, tighten it up, so that it will catch that groove, and then the head won't come off. If there was never a chance of having to have it rebuilt, I'd put a tack weld on it. I don't want the bolt to ever come loose while I'm using it, but I'll just periodically check it. I mean, I haven't used it yet, so I can't say that it's going to come loose. Looks good so far. So it comes with chains to go over the transmission. Like I say, I may do a little something different than just have these. They seem like they might get in the way. shot, see how they work. I do think I'm going to put that the other way. The bolt go there, and the bigger bolt on the bottom. It's just to lay the transmission against it, and lay it against it flush, and then you can move these in and out so that it holds the pan. And then you put the chain over the top of it. So this slot is it's almost big enough for the bolt to come through. And the way it was assembled is they wanted the bolt was coming through this way. So I changed it so that the bolt would go through the small hole on the top, and then the bigger bolt would be on the bottom. And see, the bigger bolt won't fall through. And all this is adjustable. Left and right, forwards, backwards. These all adjust. These all adjust. That one's a little tight. It adjusts up like that to catch the pan. And like I said, the chain goes over, and then you tighten the bolt down, tighten the nut down, and it cinches the chain around the transmission so it can't fall off. There's the clip. Still able to get it without the snap rings. Now, I'm probably going to wait till tomorrow to get my snap ring pliers so I can put it on with ease, because doing it with this way I'm liable to bend it. At least it's together. I can test it, see if it works. It's supposed to be a 2-stage. From what I read. So it'll go tall as me. And then it's just got a handle to release. And it just comes down. Imagine it'll come down faster with a little weight on it. Woo! And then tighten it back down.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my review on it as I actually use it. It looks good as it is now, but I'll do my review to let you know how good it is. Alright, so I'm back again. I'm going to talk about my transmission jack that I got. I promised you a review. This is going to be the review. So it does do what it's supposed to do. It does pick the transmission up, take it out, put it in, whatever. The only problem I had was the top brackets with the chains wouldn't fit the pan right, so I had to use a ratchet strap, which I planned on that anyways. Couple things that can be different on it. You could have a foot pedal release instead of having to reach down and turn it. So you're trying to hold a heavy transmission, and you're trying to do this at the same time with looking to see, make sure you got all the wires loose and everything. A little bit of a pain in the butt. Other than that, it did work. And the adjustments, when you have weight on them, they don't move. It's not a high quality machine. And this one, instead of tilting it, it just moves it side to side. So it doesn't have a tilt. It's just a side to side movement. So it needs to have a tilt. So I'm probably gonna make this a little bit bigger plate. Put holes in it so that I can use my ratchet straps, because that's what I'll use. And I may extend the arm somehow out so I can turn it here, because it was really hard to do this and control the weight release. But other than that, very happy with the transmission jack. Thanks for watching.